Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you now how to end tags for unresponsive app or software on your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here on your Windows startup menu. Right click on it and then make sure you look for Tags Manager right here. Go ahead and click on Tags Manager. Then having click on Tax Manager, this is going to pop up right here. So the very first thing you're going to see right here is processes right here. So make sure you are on this particular processes tab right here. These are all apps that you open so far on your Windows PC. So if you find out any app are not responsive right here, what you want to do right here is to make sure you locate the app. Let's say for instance, this particular Office Microsoft app right here. So next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on terminate the selected process, click on end task. And in a few seconds, the task of that particular app is going to end and it's going to force the app to close on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.